The Mohn Centre is a community-led research centre addressing childhood physical and mental health challenges. Year 5 children from Old Oak Primary School have been working with researchers from the Mohn Centre. They have become data detectives, exploring how children feel about their information and data being used for health research. This film was made by the children of Old Oak Primary School.
We have been working with Imperial and talking about data.
Why is it important to do research about children's health?
I think it's a good idea for them to know your condition because they could help you and study on it and maybe make a cure for it.
So why I got interested in children's data is that I work as a children's doctor, and two things. Firstly, we've got really good treatments for some conditions, but for some problems, health problems that children have, we don't really know the right way to help people. So we need to use data to find better ways to do it. And then the second reason is that we know that sometimes children in some areas get better support, get better services than other areas. So I want to use data to see if we can make it fairer and make sure that everyone can get the best support.
Why is it important for children to be involved in research?
I think it's great to be involved in research because they learn about you and it keeps you safe, and I think that if you research about it, I think things will go really nice in your life.
Are concerns about sharing our data?
Sometimes children worry about people collecting their data because quite a few of the time the questions they ask are quite personal and we don't know why they need it and what they're going to do with it.
The data detectives have been creating a game to help children's health researchers find out about children's wellbeing and help them talk to children. Here are the rules of the game.
So the game is about people asking us about our characters and our data and how do we share them.
That we made, the characters that we made.
And we have to choose our answers wisely.
They get points when we feel comfortable to answer their questions.
As many times as they say yes, that's how many points they have to do, and as many no's they do, they have to take that marked points away. So whoever got the highest team wins a biscuit and a trophy that we all made.
And the biscuits as well.
When should we not share our data?
If you want to take people's data, you need to tell them about where is the data going to and what is going to happen with the data.
What would make you feel comfortable sharing your data?
We talked about anonymous data and how children felt about their information being passed on anonymously, and some people felt that was more comfortable.
If you have trust in the professional that has the data on you, you might feel more comfortable.
How should researchers communicate with young children?
Maybe they could answer very easy questions first, then go up to more deeper questions.
If you're having a conversation with an individual child, then you have to make sure they understand what the research is about and they have had the opportunity to consent or not consent to taking part.
Feedback and reflections on the Data Detectives project.
My team was shy at first, but then we got more confident and we asked more questions about data researchers.
Of the teams we talked to, nearly every team there was a good cop and a bad cop. There were two definite cops who were quite tough, were quite reluctant to give any information away, and then someone else in the team who needed a bit of persuading but was quite open to talking.
Some groups were quite easy to get information out of. I think if you sort of developed a bit of a rapport at the beginning, and other groups were a bit more challenging.
We are data detectives.
Thank you for watching our film.